Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. So this is a video for chapter 5 hydrocarbons. In this video, we're going to look on the mechanism for hydrohalogenation of alkenes. This is example 2 of the mechanism for hydrohalogenation of alkene. So write down the mechanism for the reaction below. So we're going to start the reaction with our reagents over here. We have 2-methyl, 2-butene yang kita akan react with hydrogen chloride over here. Okay, so again, apa yang kita kena buat? We need to identify the product. So we are going to add our hydrogen and our chlorine, okay, into our carbon-carbon double bond over here. So we're going to focus on these 2 carbon and kita akan labelkan dekat sini. So this is carbon 1 and this is carbon 2. Okay, jadi kita kena pilih hydrogen yang ada lower priority. Okay, which carbon will it goes? Is it carbon 1 or is it carbon 2? So rule apa yang kita akan follow? We're going to follow the Markov-Nikov rule. So using the Markov-Nikov rule, hydrogen will goes to the carbon with more hydrogen atom. Jadi, hydrogen akan pergi kepada carbon 1 and chlorine akan pergi kepada carbon 2. Okay, lepas tu barulah kita lukis kita punya produk. So, chlorine tadi dekat carbon 1 dekat sini and hydrogen carbon 1 dekat sini, chlorine at the second carbon over here. So, the name of the product over here, we have 2-chloro, 2-methyl, butane. So now, let's take a look at the mechanism. Alright, step 1, formation of carbocation and halide ion. So kita punya alkene dekat sini and also our hydrogen chloride. Okay, jadi our hydrogen chloride, kita akan lukis the lone pairs on the chlorine over here. And then we're going to start the reaction with our hydrogen chloride over here. Okay, so apa yang kita akan buat? Kita akan labelkan. So our chlorine is partially negative, the hydrogen is partially positive. So, the hydrogen-chlorine bond akan break dekat sini with the 2 electrons from the bond will go to chlorine. Okay, so kita akan tunjukkan dia macam ni lah. And then, hydrogen akan jadi H+, an electrophile, and our carbon-carbon double bond over here. Okay, so let me highlight the carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so this will be our nucleophilic site dan nucleophile akan pergi kejar electrophile. So we're going to draw an arrow from the carbon-carbon double bond towards the hydrogen. Okay, so akan dapat macam ni. So seperti yang kita dah tentukan tadi, hydrogen. Okay, dekat sini saya label carbon 1, this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. So the hydrogen over here, it will go to carbon number 1. Sebab apa? We are following the Markov-Nikov rule. Hydrogen goes to carbon with more hydrogen. Okay, jadi kita akan lukis kita punya produk macam ni lah. So at this carbon, this first carbon over here, kita akan letak H dan pada carbon yang kedua dekat sini, dia akan jadi carbocation. Okay, and we're going to get our chloride ion over here. So, selain daripada awak lukis kita punya produk macam ni, you can also represent your product like this. Okay, so yang tak terlibat dengan reaction, kita salin saja semula. So this carbon will become the carbocation, CH3, okay, yang bawah ni. So this one, carbon yang terima hydrogen tadi, kita boleh dia tulis sebagai CH2, CH3, okay, macam ni. Okay, so that is our step 1. So now we're going to proceed to step 2. Step 2, halide ion donate electron pair to carbocation. So kita lukis balik kita punya carbocation and also the chloride ion that we have just now. So seperti yang kita tahu, the nucleophile will attack the electrophile dekat sini. So daripada lone pair pada kita punya chloride ion, dia akan pergi attack carbocation kita dekat sini. Okay, so the arrow from the lone pair to our carbon and bond will form. So kita akan dapatlah kita punya produk dekat sini. Okay, so this is the step for the formation of our haloalkene. for example 2. And this is how you represent your answer in exam. For example 2, the mechanism for hydrohalogenation of alkene. So that's all for this video, and thank you for listening.